Hello and welcome to today's session of Breathwork. This will be a short relaxation practice, therefore perfect to do if you don't have much time and want to quickly de-stress yourself, like after a hard workout or before some stressful event, for example. I recommend you do this one lying down, as it will make it far more easier to relax. Keep in mind that doing this kind of breathwork for at least a few minutes a day can elevate your mood, energy, reduce stress, anxiety, and improve your overall health markers. I want you to notice that simply knowing information can change how your body responds to certain stimuli. So with all of that out of the way, let's proceed to the session. You may slowly, gently close your eyes.
We will start with a short awareness segment. Firstly, take a few deep breaths and sigh it out. One more, and as you sigh out, feel yourself letting go. Feel the weight of your body settling into the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, your hands rest effortlessly. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it is. No need to change it. Just observe. The coolness as air enters, the warmth as it leaves, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Remember that whatever sensations may arise, simply welcome them. Tension, relaxation, warmth, stillness, there's no right or wrong. Just notice. Just be. Let's proceed to the breathing part. We will be practicing simple, slow, controlled breathing. Firstly, breathe in deeply through your nose or mouth, and as you do so, pay close attention to your belly and chest expanding at the same time. Now, as you reach the end of your inhalation, make sure your neck and shoulders are relaxed and let the air out through pursed lips. The key here is not to blow the air, but simply control it coming out with your intra-abdominal muscles. Continue breathing in this way, fully in through the nose or mouth, and let it out slowly with control through pursed lips. Continue breathing in this way and try to make your exhales slower and slower. Find that thin line between comfort and discomfort. As you are getting more and more relaxed, try to pause at the end of your exhales and notice your heartbeat before you inhale again. Remember, the breath is your tool, your anchor to the present moment. Trust it. If thoughts are disturbing you, try to notice the space between them and simply let them come, let them be, and most importantly, let them go. Let's continue by practicing a few physiological sighs. It's a breathing pattern that goes like this. Breathe in deeply through your nose or mouth. On full lungs, take another sharp inhale and let the air out as you were before through pursed lips. Continue breathing in this way. Remember that every breath is a reset. Nothing before, nothing after matters. Continue doing physiological sighs and try to develop a feeling of gratitude for whatever that makes sense to you, for the nice meal you had today, for your partner, or for the gift of simply being alive and being here in the present moment. There is nowhere else you need to be, nowhere else you need to go. Just be here, breathing in the present moment. Your mind may wander. That's okay. That's actually completely normal. Gently bring it back to sensation and continue focusing on your breath. Let go of any control of your breath and simply observe it for a few moments. We will end things off with a short body awareness segment. I will be naming some body parts. Simply allow your awareness to jump from body part to body part without focusing on any specific part. Feel the fingers of your right hand. Feel your palm. Feel your whole right hand. Feel your lower arm, your right elbow, right upper arm, your right shoulder. Feel the right side of your torso. Move your awareness to your right hip, your right thigh, knee, calf muscle. Feel your right foot. Feel all of your right toes. Now feel the fingers of your left hand. Feel your left palm. Feel your whole left hand. Feel your lower arm, your left elbow, upper arm, your left shoulder. Feel the left side of your torso. Feel your left hip, your left thigh, knee, calf muscle. Feel your left foot. Feel all of your left toes. Now try and feel major parts of your body. Feel your whole right leg. Feel your whole left leg. Both legs together. Feel your whole right arm. Your whole left arm. Both arms together. Feel the whole front side of the body. The whole back side of the body. Feel your whole head. Feel your whole body. The whole body. Rest in this whole body awareness for a few moments. The session is almost complete. Try to shortly reflect on what thoughts were disturbing you most. Were you able to find a moment of mindfulness here today? If you would like to spend a little bit more time here, feel free to pause the video. Otherwise, you may slowly, gently open your eyes.
And that is it for the session. I hope you were able to find a moment of mindfulness with me here today. As always, thank you all so very much for breathing with me. Stay mindful, and I hope to see you in the next one.